Are you tired of those frustrating nights where you barely drift off to sleep before a sudden urgent need to urinate jolts you awake? You drag yourself to the bathroom only to return to a cold bed, and before you know it, the urge strikes again. For many, this isn't just a one-off inconvenience. It's a relentless cycle of 2, 3, 4, or even 5 nightly awakenings. The result? Crushing fatigue, a heavy head, and a profound lack of energy that plagues your entire day. You might dismiss it as an inevitable part of aging, a sign of a weak bladder or failing kidneys, believing there's nothing you can do. But what if I told you the truth is often far different? What if a seemingly innocent, even healthy habit you indulge in every evening could be the secret culprit behind your restless nights and declining well-being? Stay with me, because a small, surprising adjustment might be all it takes to transform your sleep and reclaim your energy. The hidden truth about nighttime eating and your kidneys. I've met countless patients whose kidneys weren't in a critical state, yet their sleep was fragmented every single night. The surprising cause often stemmed from a very common habit, one many of us even consider beneficial for our health: consuming certain types of nuts in the evening, especially after dinner or right before bed. It sounds counterintuitive, doesn't it? Everyone praises nuts for their benefits to the heart, brain, and overall health. But what few people clearly explain is that not all nuts are kidney-friendly, especially when consumed at night. Our bodies operate on a rhythm, and a fundamental principle is that our kidneys, those vital filtration organs, need to shift into rest and recovery mode at night, typically around 9 p.m. During this time, our body secretes hormones that slow down the filtration rate, maintaining just enough fluid balance for us to sleep uninterrupted. The problem arises when, in the evening, you unknowingly ingest substances that excessively stimulate your kidneys. Nuts are a prime example. Many nuts contain relatively high levels of potassium, phosphorus, plant proteins, or even mild stimulants. During the day, when your body is active and your kidneys are fully capable of processing these, it's generally fine. But at night, when all your organs crave a slowdown, these substances force your kidneys to continue filtering, regulating electrolytes, and producing urine. The inevitable outcome? A bladder that fills up faster, an earlier urge to urinate, fragmented sleep, and a brain that struggles to enter deep, restorative slumber. With each awakening, your body loses a crucial part of its recovery potential. What's more, there's a vicious cycle few recognize. Frequent nighttime urination, nicturia, doesn't just deprive you of sleep. This lack of sleep actually weakens kidney function more rapidly. When sleep is light and interrupted, the hormones regulating blood pressure and kidney filtration are disrupted. Blood circulation becomes less efficient, and your kidneys work even harder. Thus, nicturia and kidney weakness aren't two separate issues. They fuel each other, progressively worsening, especially for those over 55 to 60 years old. Your evening nut strategy: the good, the bad, and the golden rules. Now, before you panic and eliminate all nuts from your diet, rest assured you don't need to. The key lies in understanding the type of nut, the timing of its consumption, and the quantity. Some nuts, when consumed correctly, can actually help your nervous system relax, stabilize your blood sugar overnight, reduce bladder stimulation, and thus promote deeper sleep with fewer nighttime awakenings. Conversely, there are nuts that seem incredibly healthy, but if eaten after dinner or before bed, they will secretly force your kidneys to work tirelessly all night. The 5 allies for better sleep and kidney health. Let's begin with the 5 types of nuts that people with kidney weakness or nocturia can consider incorporating, provided they are consumed correctly. Remember, a tiny mistake in detail can completely reverse the effect. Pumpkin seeds, the bladder soother for deeper sleep. These are gentle, easy to digest, and won't overstimulate your kidneys if used correctly. Pumpkin seeds contain a moderate amount of magnesium, a mineral known to relax the nervous system and smooth muscles, including your bladder muscle. When your bladder is more relaxed, the urge to urinate comes later, allowing for easier and deeper sleep. For optimal benefit, consume a small spoonful of unsalted pumpkin seeds about 2 to 3 hours after dinner and at least an hour before bedtime. Chew them slowly, aiming for relaxation, not satiety. A common mistake is consuming salted pumpkin seeds, often in large quantities while watching TV. The salt and excessive amount will force your kidneys to work harder and stimulate your bladder, leading to frequent awakenings. Eating them too close to bedtime also overloads your digestive system and kidneys, hindering sleep. Remember, small, unsalted, and early. Lightly roasted cashews, stabilizing nighttime blood sugar. Cashews, specifically lightly roasted and unsalted ones, can be beneficial due to their healthy fats and moderate plant proteins, which help stabilize blood sugar during the night. For many older individuals, especially those with mild kidney weakness, blood sugar can subtly drop overnight, triggering the nervous system, accelerating heart rate, intensifying kidney filtration, and leading to an urge to urinate. In these cases, a small quantity of correctly consumed cashews can maintain a more stable body state, leading to deeper sleep. The critical part is small quantity. Just 2 or 3 small, well-chewed nuts used as a light snack about 2 hours after dinner and 60-90 minutes before bed. Avoid salted or seasoned cashews, as salt and spices will force your kidneys to retain water and increase filtration pressure. Also, avoid them if you have severe kidney disease or dietary restrictions on protein and fat. Black sesame seeds, nourishing the yin, calming the nerves. These familiar kitchen staples, when used correctly, can be excellent support for those with kidney weakness, especially if you wake frequently and struggle to fall back asleep. Black sesame seeds are gentle, non-stimulating, and contain beneficial fats and micronutrients that help calm the nervous system. When consumed in moderation, they promote relaxation, reduce mental agitation, and foster more continuous sleep. As sleep deepens, the urge to urinate also comes later, as kidneys and bladder receive the signal to rest. The best way to use them is finely ground, a small spoonful mixed with warm water or sprinkled on light porridge, consumed early in the afternoon, 2 to 3 hours before bed. Avoid sugary forms like sesame candies or desserts, as sugar causes blood sugar fluctuations, stimulating kidneys and the nervous system. Also, don't overconsume, as too much fat at night can burden weak kidneys. Walnuts, quieting the mind for restful sleep. Walnuts, celebrated for brain health, also support nighttime sleep, particularly for those who frequently wake and struggle to get back to sleep. They are rich in healthy fats that help stabilize nervous system activity. For older individuals, where the nervous system is often more sensitive to stress or biological disturbances, walnuts can promote calmness and stabilize the biological rhythm, making it easier to return to sleep after waking. This is crucial if your issue isn't just frequent urination, but difficulty falling back asleep. Consume a half or maximum 1 small walnut, well chewed, about 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Avoid salted, butter-roasted, or walnut-based pastries, which are often high in salt and sugar, forcing kidneys to retain water and filter more. Also, don't combine them with strong tea or coffee in the evening, as this will counteract their sleep-supporting effect. Dried lotus seeds, nature's gentle sedative. This familiar seed, if used correctly, can be a powerful ally for deep sleep and reduced nocturia, especially for those with weak kidneys. Lotus seeds possess mild sedative properties, helping to calm the nervous system, reduce restlessness, and alleviate anxiety, common sleep disruptors for older adults. When the nervous system is soothed, the body's nighttime rhythm becomes more stable, providing better conditions for kidney rest. Crucially, dried lotus seeds, unlike fresh ones, do not strongly stimulate the bladder when consumed in the right amount. The best approach is 1 or 2 spoons of dried, thoroughly cooked lotus seeds, consumed as an afternoon snack or with a light porridge at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. Avoid overly sugary lotus seed desserts or canned varieties, as excess sugar will cause blood sugar fluctuations, stimulating kidney filtration. Also avoid consuming too many, as excessive plant protein at night can burden weak kidneys. The 5 hidden dangers you should avoid at night. Now, let's turn our attention to 5 types of nuts that, when consumed in the evening, subtly overload your kidneys, increasing nocturia, and which many of you eat daily without realizing the harm. Removing even just one of these from your evening routine could drastically change your sleep. Watermelon seeds, the salt trap. Many are surprised to hear this, as watermelon seeds are a common snack during relaxation. However, the biggest issue isn't the seed itself, but how we eat them, almost always heavily salted. Salt forces your kidneys to retain water, increasing filtration pressure and continuously stimulating your bladder throughout the night. Your body has to simultaneously retain water to balance the salt and filter out excess sodium, preventing your kidneys from resting and leading to increased urine production. This is why a small bowl of salted watermelon seeds can lead to constant nighttime trips to the bathroom. They're also often consumed unconsciously, leading to excessive intake of salt and seeds, further overloading the kidneys. This is particularly dangerous for those with a history of nocturia, high blood pressure, or slight afternoon edema. Almonds, the potassium overload. How can almonds be harmful, you might ask, as they're widely recommended? While healthy during the day, for those with kidney weakness and frequent nighttime urination, consuming almonds in the evening is a different story. The primary concern is their relatively high potassium content. While potassium is essential, weakened kidneys have a reduced ability to regulate it at night. Eating almonds in the evening forces your kidneys to continue filtering and balancing electrolytes instead of resting. The body's natural response to excess potassium at night is to increase urine production to eliminate it, leading to multiple awakenings to urinate. Furthermore, almonds are often consumed in large quantities, and many varieties are salted, butter roasted, or flavored, exacerbating the problem. Even industrial almond milk can be problematic due to concentrated almonds, stabilizers, and sometimes added potassium. For those with frequent nocturia, kidney weakness, and light sleep, avoiding almonds after dinner is strongly advised. Sunflower seeds, salty, stimulating, and speedy. This popular snack for evening relaxation is a significant culprit. Most commercially available sunflower seeds are heavily salted and often seasoned, and this salt is the first factor forcing your kidneys to retain water and filter continuously at night. But there's more. Sunflower seeds also have a mild stimulating effect on the nervous system. Consuming them in the evening, especially for extended periods, makes it difficult for your nervous system to fully relax. Your sleep becomes lighter, more easily interrupted, and with each awakening, the urge to urinate is more pronounced. Their small size and ease of consumption mean many quickly finish a large bowl, leading to an excessive intake of salt and oil, discreetly overloading the kidneys. The common habit of drinking water or tea after eating them to quench thirst further exacerbates the problem by rapidly filling the bladder. Pistachios, potassium magnified. Often touted as a healthy, diet-friendly snack, pistachios are a poor choice for those with kidney weakness and frequent nocturia, particularly in the evening. Like almonds, their main issue is a relatively high potassium content. When consumed at night, your kidneys are forced to work to balance these electrolytes instead of resting, leading to increased urine production to eliminate the excess potassium. Pistachios are also very easy to overconsume due to their small size, rich taste, and common salting. The combination of salt and high potassium creates a double burden on your kidneys, forcing them to retain water and filter electrolytes throughout the night. Consuming them with light alcohol or sugary drinks further stimulates the kidneys and severely disrupts sleep. If you have kidney weakness, frequent nocturia, high blood pressure, or have been advised about electrolyte levels, it's best to avoid pistachios entirely in the evening. Roasted peanuts, the insidious overload, the fifth and arguably most dangerous nut for those with kidney weakness if consumed in the evening is the peanut. While familiar, inexpensive, and often considered nutritious, the problem lies in the timing and manner of consumption. Peanuts contain a fairly high amount of plant protein and fat. During the day, active kidneys can handle these, but at night, this protein and fat force your kidneys to continue filtering and processing metabolic products, increasing urine production. The result is a bladder that fills faster, an earlier urge to urinate, and interrupted sleep, especially towards morning. Furthermore, Peanuts are rarely consumed plain. Most are salted, fried, or seasoned. This combination of salt, fats, and proteins in the evening is a potent mix for kidney overload. The kidneys must both retain water to balance salt and filter protein waste, guaranteeing a restless night. Another often overlooked risk is that peanuts can easily cause bloating and gas in older individuals. A bloated stomach increases abdominal pressure, compressing the bladder and making the urge to urinate even more frequent. Peanuts are easily overconsumed, and their impact on sleep isn't immediate but manifests hours later, precisely when you should be in your deepest sleep. For those with weak kidneys, frequent nocturia, prolonged sleep issues, or a habit of snacking on peanuts in the evening, completely avoid them after dinner. Your golden rules for a restful night. After hearing about these good and bad nuts, you might wonder if you need to avoid everything. The answer is no, but it's crucial to eat according to correct principles. Kidney weakness doesn't appear suddenly. It often results from kidneys being overworked at the wrong times for extended periods. Night is when your kidneys need to rest. If you continue to consume salted, protein-rich, or potassium-rich nuts too close to bedtime, even if they are nutritious during the day, they become a burden at night. Therefore, please remember these 3 golden rules, especially if you are over 55. Eat nuts at the right time. The safest window is at least 2 to 3 hours before going to bed. Eating too close to bedtime forces both your digestive system and kidneys to work simultaneously, making sleep difficult and prematurely stimulating your bladder. Eat very little. Do not eat according to your cravings. Nuts are not a meal to fill you up. For those with kidney weakness, a small spoonful or just a few seeds are sufficient. Eating too much, even of a good nut, in the evening can force you to get up more often to urinate that night. Absolutely avoid salt and seasonings. Salt is the enemy that wakes your kidneys at night. Salted nuts, seasoned nuts, and prepackaged nuts all force your kidneys to retain water and filter more. If plain, unsalted nuts aren't available, it's better not to eat them at all. Beyond the type of nuts, also consider your overall evening habits. Many people eat nuts and then drink extra water or tea because they feel thirsty. This rapidly fills the bladder, making nocturia almost inevitable. If you suffer from frequent nighttime urination, I sincerely advise you, simplify your evening meal. Avoid prolonged snacking so your kidneys can truly rest before you sleep. Many individuals have seen their nighttime urination decrease significantly, found it easier to fall back asleep, and woken up feeling refreshed simply by making these adjustments. Your path to deeper sleep starts tonight. By now, you've likely grasped a crucial insight. Frequent nighttime urination and insomnia aren't always solely due to age, but very often stem from common evening habits, particularly the way we consume nuts. While some nuts, used correctly and at the right time, can help your body relax and sleep more deeply, others, if eaten in the evening, will force your kidneys to work all night, stimulate your bladder, and fragment your precious sleep. The good news is, you don't need to be excessively strict. Simply choosing the right type of nut, consuming a very small quantity, and doing so early, not right before bed, can allow your kidneys to rest more, gradually stabilizing your sleep. Tonight, before you go to bed, I urge you to take a moment to review your evening habits. Perhaps removing just one inappropriate type of nut or simply consuming it a little earlier will be the small adjustment that brings a radical difference to your sleep starting tonight. Which of the 5 bad nuts I shared do you currently eat in the evening? Share your answer in the comments below so we can discuss and adapt together. If you found this video helpful and it shed new light on your body, please click like and subscribe to my channel. This not only ensures you won't miss my future practical health tips for older adults, especially concerning kidney and sleep issues, but also gives this channel the motivation to continue sharing easy to understand, applicable content for improving your quality of life. Thank you for your patience in watching until the end. I wish you deeper sleep tonight, a gradual reduction in nighttime urination, and a lighter, more energetic feeling every morning. See you in the next video.